In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum in Binance. So the first thing you need to do is go to Binance app, then tap on wallet in the bottom right here. What you need to do is transfer your USD from funding to spot. So tap on it, then choose funding to spot and tap on trade, confirm the trade. And now it has successfully sent to spot. Now tap on trade in the center. Then in the search bar type BTC slash USDC or USDT depend on what you have. Tap on BTC. After that, here you can type amount of BTC you want to buy. I will buy $50 worth of BTC and tap on buy BTC. Order has been placed and filled. Now if you want to sell it, then tap on sell, and here you can sell your BTC like this. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.